Delta College makes it really accessible for a lot of students, no matter where they come from, no matter what their prior educational experiences are. I think accessibility is one of the best things that Delta College offers.
One of the things that I like to do in my sessions is really get to know the student outside of the classroom. And so one of the things that I have found that some students are really excited about is I can come back to school or I can be here knowing that my child is in close proximity.
I took advantage of my youngest son was in the childcare center. So just being able to come to Delta College and take my classes, knowing that my son was safe and that he was in a space where people were taking care of him. And that allowed me to be able to focus on my studies.
When you're going to college and working at the same time and have small children, I mean, having those resources are probably super important.
You guys need to take your kids to the daycare and utilize all the childcare and the help that you could get. And we all should take the opportunity to go and wash our clothes.
The laundry service is a program that comes over here. They bring a car. They have like a bunch of washing machines and dryers. And they always keep on coming every single Tuesday. So it means it helps a lot of students.
It's free to wash your clothes, and that's another opportunity that students should reach out and take the time to utilize and use.
More recently, we see in our community that there is a lot of needs that are not being fulfilled. So having access to our pantry and receiving groceries is extremely important for this population.
I use the food pantry here with 2 kids, and being a single mother, I go down there.
There's a lot of our students that use that, and it's something that, we don't necessarily always think about, but that's a huge thing for them. Having that is something that's gonna show them like, we're here for you.
I have worked directly with the food pantry. In my courses, I usually have a canned food drive, and make donations to the food pantry. Using that also as a way to publicize the availability of those services, because we know you can't think and learn when you're hungry. The more you can fulfill a person's needs, the more they're able to devote to their learning and study. So it's a great idea, great resource, and I'd like to see it expand to where it could serve even more of our students.
I think one of the greatest resources that the college actually has is the Tutor Center. They cover a vast amount of subjects, so they're a great resource.
One of the things that I have found is our undocumented students feeling connected on the campus, feeling like they have a place to go to. The Dreamer Center provides that for them because it is a different experience and brings a whole other layer of concerns. So when students find that place, which is our Dreamer Center, they really gravitate towards it because of the safe space it provides, but also the support and knowing that they're not being judged or no one's looking at them in a different lens and they just feel welcome.
There is currently a commitment to have all gender bathrooms in every building at Delta, and they will be placed on the ground floor.
It's really important to have those types of spaces because it really comes down to just being human and just being respectful. We should have a restroom that is okay for everyone.
At Delta College, you can pursue a myriad of programs that will allow you to thrive and succeed. If you are looking for your community, we have the EPIC API community. If you are Asian American, Native Hawaiian, or Pacific Islander. If you are Chicanx, Latinx, you have the Puente program. If you're a Black African American student, we have the B program. We also have programs for intersectional identities. So if you are part of the LGBTQIA community, we also have the Pride Center. And so Delta College will provide you an opportunity to find your community and to thrive.